Sneezing feels normal today, but centuries ago it terrified people. Long ago, people believed a sneeze meant your soul was trying to escape your body, and evil spirits could enter at that exact moment. So when someone sneezed, people quickly said, "God bless you," to protect their soul and chase away bad spirits. Later, during deadly plagues in Europe, sneezing became a warning sign of sickness. Saying "bless you" turned into a way of wishing someone health and survival. Over time, the meaning changed, but the habit stayed. So today, when someone sneezes, you're not just being polite, you're repeating a tradition that started hundreds of years ago. Thanks to everyone supporting the channel. Help us reach even more by subscribing. This is Untold Name Origins.